if na you dey that position wey Davido dey so, your head go burst because you never see anything. You need to be strong before you can handle success. Be strong. Come on. Let's go. Strong. You need to be strong. Go and learn work. Go and learn handwork. And I know it's the last comment of a fool. Go and learn work. Go and learn handwork. Learn handwork now that you still get the power now, the energy. Learn the work now. Now that you have the power, you have the energy, let the work so that when you no get the energy again, the work go dey give you food chop, go dey pay your bills. You get my point now?